What should you do with your training volume on a fat loss diet? This is a common question that people have when they just try to lose weight. And I think this is important because we want to make sure that we're doing enough volume where we are able to maintain muscle tissue, but not so much that we are taxing our recovery. So how I would generally recommend most people structure their training programs is you start your cut and use whatever training volume that you were using when you were maintaining weight or you were bulking, and keep that during the diet until you're starting to notice that you're starting to have some recovery issues. Because let's face it, especially depending on how fast you're losing weight, how much weight that you have lost, fatigue is going to build. And because you have less raw recovery resources to draw from, because you're just in a calorie deficit and under eating, you might need to pull back a little bit with the training volume, because the reality is that it usually is a recovery issue, not a stimulus issue. So I would always cut back volume by maybe 2/3 just to start, maybe even by a half if it's really needed. If it means that you're better able to maintain your strength and your better recovery going into your sessions, because that should be the goal during a fat loss phase. So don't be afraid to pull back if your body is under recovered from what you were doing in the past. It's the right move if you really want to maintain your muscle and strength.